Extramarital affairs have long been a subject of societal concern, often seen as a breach of trust and a threat to the foundation of marriage. The reasons behind extramarital affairs are complex and multifaceted, arising from emotional, psychological, and situational factors. Emotional or physical disconnect between partners is one of the most common reasons, with couples drifting apart over time due to lifestyle changes, poor communication, or taking each other for granted. When one partner feels neglected or undervalued, they may seek intimacy or affection outside the marriage. Other underlying issues like constant arguments, lack of mutual respect, or unmet emotional needs can create a fertile ground for infidelity, as a partner may turn to an affair to cope with or escape these conflicts. For some individuals, the allure of novelty, excitement, or the thrill of secrecy can be a driving force behind an affair. This is particularly true when a marriage feels routine, predictable, or unfulfilling. The temptation of the unknown offers a temporary escape from dissatisfaction. Furthermore, personal insecurities or dissatisfaction can lead someone to seek validation outside the marriage, hoping to boost their self-esteem or feel more desirable. Cultural or societal influences may also normalize infidelity, with media and peer pressure sometimes portraying extramarital relationships as acceptable, regardless of their emotional costs. The consequences of infidelity are often devastating, affecting both individuals and their families on emotional, psychological, and even physical levels. Trust is the cornerstone of any relationship, and once broken, it is difficult, if not impossible, to restore. The emotional toll on both partners can be overwhelming, with feelings of betrayal, anger, guilt, and shame, often leading to anxiety or depression. The betrayed partner may feel worthless, doubting their own self-worth. Furthermore, infidelity often causes emotional harm to children or other family members who are affected by the breakdown of the marriage. Divorce or separation is a common outcome of extramarital affairs, leading to the fragmentation of the family unit. This can have lasting effects on children, who may experience feelings of abandonment or confusion. The financial costs of divorce can be significant, particularly when assets or children are involved, and both parties may face a shift in their lifestyle and emotional stability. Social repercussions are also common, especially in close-knit communities or workplaces. Those involved in infidelity may experience a tarnished reputation, loss of respect, or social isolation, with gossip and judgment lingering long after the affair has been discovered. Despite the destructive nature of extramarital affairs, there are steps couples can take to prevent or heal from such experiences. Open communication is crucial in any relationship. Many affairs begin when partners stop discussing their feelings, needs, and frustrations openly. Creating a space for honest conversations can help address potential issues before they escalate into betrayal. Couples should also make an effort to stay emotionally connected by sharing their hopes, dreams, and concerns. Couples therapy or marriage counseling can be highly effective in addressing the deeper issues that contribute to infidelity. A trained therapist can help couples understand their relationship dynamics, improve communication, and resolve emotional or psychological problems that may be causing dissatisfaction. Rebuilding trust after an affair requires time, patience, and consistent effort from both parties. For the cheating partner, transparency and accountability are essential, while the betrayed partner must be willing to forgive and work through the pain. Trust-building exercises, such as sharing emotions openly and setting shared goals, can help facilitate healing. Establishing clear boundaries and expectations within the relationship is essential to prevent future infidelity. This includes openly discussing what constitutes acceptable behavior and reaffirming the importance of fidelity. Couples can reinforce mutual respect and prevent situations that might lead to infidelity by establishing a solid foundation. Self-reflection is also important, as both partners need to understand their own needs, insecurities, and desires. Self-awareness helps individuals address dissatisfaction within the marriage in a healthy manner rather than seeking fulfillment outside of it. Personal growth, through hobbies, friendships, and addressing emotional needs, can enhance one's sense of well-being and fulfillment. Extramarital affairs stem from emotional dissatisfaction, unresolved marital issues, or personal insecurities. By recognizing the underlying causes of infidelity and working towards solutions, couples can create stronger, healthier relationships.